Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is a nice tandoori mushroom recipe, and the highlight here is I'm going to show you how to make tandoori masala powder. The first step is to dry roast all the ingredients for the tandoori masala, starting with 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon peppercorns, cloves, a few, 2 large black cardamom, about 5 to 6 green cardamom, a piece of cinnamon, a piece of nutmeg, 2 pieces of mace, Kasuri methi 1 teaspoon, and about 5 Kashmiri Red chilies. Dry roast the ingredients on low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes till you get a nice aroma. Turn off the stove and cool the ingredients. The ingredients have cooled down. Transfer them to a mixer jar. To this add 1 teaspoon of ginger powder and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Grind it to a nice fine powder. The tandoori masala powder is ready. Store it in an airtight container or bottle and use it whenever you require it. The next step is to make the marinade for the mushrooms. For this, take about 1.5 cups of thick curd, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a teaspoon of salt, the juice of 1 lemon, freshly ground tandoori masala powder. You can add about 3 to 4 whole teaspoons. Mix everything together. Check for seasoning and see if you need any salt. You can add a little more salt. Now the marinade is ready. I'm using 400 grams of mushrooms. Make sure the mushrooms are washed and cleaned properly before using them. Mix the mushrooms with the marinade nicely. Make sure it's all coated well. Let this sit for a minimum of 30 minutes. So now I'm going to make a simple coriander and mint chutney. For this, take 1 handful of fresh mint, handful of fresh coriander leaves, a small piece of onion, ginger and a few cloves of garlic, 3 green chilies, half teaspoon of salt. I'm using rock salt. Grind it to a nice fine chutney. Halfway through, add the juice of half lemon, 1 tablespoon of curd. To this, add a pinch of chaat masala. The mint and coriander dip or chutney is ready. You can use this for any tandoori dishes as a dip. The mushrooms have been marinating for about 30 minutes now. Now I'm going to skewer the mushrooms and grill them. I've preheated the microwave oven for about 10 minutes on the grill setting. So once it's heated, place the skewered mushrooms inside and grill it for about 10 minutes. So the tandoori mushroom is done. So I've decided to taste it and check out all the flavors. Let's see. Okay, it's just fantastic. So now that I've tasted the tandoori mushroom, here are a couple of things that I felt. Now, making the tandoori masala at home definitely adds to the flavor of the dish. And the mint chutney, oh my god, it's just bursting with flavors. So make sure that while you make this tandoori mushroom at home, you try and make the tandoori masala as fresh as well as the mint chutney. Make it fresh and enjoy this tandoori mushroom. And if you don't have a microwave or a grill oven, you can always try it on the stove by tawa frying it. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.